Another one bites the dust. Right, sure. Killed your only medic. Saxton Hale! Incoming! Attack! Incoming! Incoming! Rhyme! Control point enabled! You lose. Attack! Welcome, Saxton Hale, to your doom! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Why are you running, mate? Oh, you bunch of pilots! Ready to get started! Saxton Hale! Inhale. Incoming! I'm gonna win as clear as the mustache on my face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Directly in front of me. Doctor! He's down! You picked a fight with the wrong man! Oh, I'm gonna break the living hell out of him! Attack! Right, jump! Control point enabled! Brave jump! Oh, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of them! Hop!
Next up!
Hop! I win! I'll buy your whole team out with my damn bare hands!
I'm going to saw through your bones!
5,
Come on, Dad, follow me!
3, 2, 1!
Holy crap! You're dancing! Come good!
Screw grab!
Medic! Doc, this way!
Medic! Charge it, Doc.
Saxton Hale! All right, Joe!
I'm a freaking blur here!
Screw gravity! Or killed your only medic! The control point is enabled! Capture it! Hale! Ready to give a big push!
I'll get you, Saxton! Next time!
Screw gravity! Attack!
You were an embarrassment!
Let's get him!
Fail me this time!
Crap, we got none! Medic! Crap, we got none!
4,
So
3,
medic just decided to stay
2,
behind? You guys
1!
better hope I brought Mad Milk.
Screw gravity!
Thanks, Pally!
Well, this was a disappointment.
We meet again, Saxton Hale. Too bad it'll be for the last time!
5, 4, 3, 2!
He's over there! Let's get him!
Fight me like a real man, you
Incoming!
coward! Ah! They'll have a dispenser for you in heaven. Saxton Punch ready! Right? Well, that's my secret, mate. I'm always angry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
My job is done. You're finished. I don't need a weapon. I am the weapon. 5, 4,
Looks like the only medic who's joined us today is my dismissed. Building the center.
am the CEO of Manco now. Get out of my property, or my arms will force you out.
3, 2, 1.
Attack!
I see him! I need protection!
Ready to give a big punch! Ha! Screw gravity! The point's open! Go and get it! Oh, damn.
You've done it! You've eliminated the biggest threat to my man.